Um, Let me start by talking about standardization and the importance of it as I see it. I think we're in a situation where the Islamic finance market has developed greatly, is developing new products, and the consequence of that is that these innovations and developments are happening, in tandem and through different houses. And of course, one consequence is that you see various slightly different manifestations of similar products. And the problem that gives is, from a user point of view, he's seeing a number of different options for similar outcomes. And standardization has a value because it will mean, from the market's point of view, we'll be able to make use of similar products, compare them more readily, compare the documentation more readily, and indeed enter into them more readily and more quickly. And so I think standardization's real value is to add to the speed, the efficiency with which we'll be able in the marketplace to bring products to market, to have the market enter into them, and to be able to compare. And all of that has to be good, I think, to help grow the marketplace. Let me illustrate that a little bit. Let's say that today you wanted to enter into even take a sukuk as an example, or a sukuk issuance as an example. Of course, where you are today is you see, according to which arranger is arranging the deal, you may see differences in the documentation, and you may see differences in how to, there may be differences for you in how to evaluate the product. And fundamentally, when the product is a particular product, what you want to be able to see is what are the commercial differences, what are the commercial consequences of those differences for you. And it's entirely right that different providers may provide you with slightly different, commercially slightly different product, and you should be able to evaluate, assess and compare those. But where the basic legal technology is the same, it's obviously helpful to have it as closely allied or as closely comparable as possible, so that you can concentrate on the commercial rather than concentrate on the legal, and certainly avoid unnecessary legal costs in evaluating the documentation.